Hello there. The purpose of this video is to tell you about our sunflower mazes that we planted this spring. Over the years, we've done quite a bit on our farm with sunflowers, mainly in the form of bird plots and just, trying to bring in different varieties of birds. Birds are very beneficial for our farming and they help keep our insects in check, which reduces the need for any insecticides. And so they have always been sunflowers are very good about bringing in different varieties of birds. And not only are they beautiful to look at, but they have benefits as well in that way, and they help bring in beneficial insects and pollinators. But these pictures were from last summer. He planted a fairly large bird plot, and it was a lot of fun to watch the birds clean that up. I don't know if they had it all gone before winter, but they worked on it pretty heavy. So this year we decided to do some mazes. It's the first year we've ever done a sunflower maze. He's done a maze in the past with grasses, but this is a new experiment for us. So looks like a giant checkerboard. He made a perimeter around the maze that was his first step, and then he tilled the soil north and south, and then east and west. It created a large checkerboard. And we had saved our seed from last summer, so this won't cost a lot of money to make it because we already have the seed. And he went online and he generated some mazes, and he used those as his reference as he started to put the seed in. So after he had it all tilled, then he used his Jang planter, and he made two rows of walls, just outer walls around the maze. And that was the entrance. He just picked up the the planter where you enter. And then after he had two rows for the walls on the outer edges, then he did the hallways in the middle. And by doing that, he just used the maze as a reference, and in the areas that he didn't want seed, then he would pick up his planter and leave that area bare, and those would be the halls on the inside of the maze. And took him a couple hours, and so where we were really at the day he put these in we were just waiting for rain. It would be too expensive to put drip lines on this big of an area for sunflowers, so we're just going to hope that the rains come, and they actually did. We got 5 inches of rain about a week and a half after he put these in, and they were so timely. It made such an amazing difference, and we had good germination, and so we're just hoping for the best. It's starting to get a little dry again, and so we're hoping that we'll get enough rains to support their growth. The thing with sunflowers is they have a pretty deep taproot, and so they can go down pretty deep to get water. But it was vital, as he's putting them in this day, that in order to help them germinate, to be able to get some rain to do that, and that happened. And so I'll keep you posted on the progress of this. Like I said, it was just a beautiful day, the day that he put these in, and here's a picture after he's all finished, and you can kind of see the checkerboards. The drone photo shows it the best, and the aerial drone photo, but we can keep it mowed down, the little squares, and we'll just have to see what happens. But there's a view of it on the ground after it was almost in, and we'll keep you posted on how it goes. It should be fun to watch it. Like I said, we've never done this before, but we're hoping for the best, and we're hoping for some rains, and we had our little dogs helping us. They're not quite helping so much as they are playing. They're supposed to be keeping rabbits out of the field, but it's a little more fun to relax under a shade tree, so that's what they're up to. So that about wraps up this video. We will hopefully have some good things to report back as the next few months progress, and we'll see how they're growing and how things are looking. But that is all we have for now. So thanks for taking the time to watch this, and we'll catch you on our next video.